I had a couple of wins, came with a couple of sins. Being good don't pay off, so I went and did it again. I want the lamb chalked up off with her and a couple.
This is simply for pleasure. If y'all want to see my face next to the video, then you've come to the right place. We've all seen this. I've seen this. I'm just reacting to it so y'all can watch it alongside with me. I'm not going to act like this is new to me. I love this. I saw when it happened during COVID. Let's press play and enjoy this once again.
Must I do? Cause luckily I'm good at reading. I wouldn't bug her, but it won't stop cheesing. And we can dance all day around it. If you frontin', I'll be bouncing. If you want it, screaming, shout, babe. Before I leave you dry, day, night, to morning, keep with me in the moment. You hadn't known it, why don't you say so? Didn't even notice, no punches left to roll with. You got to keep me focused, you wanna say so. Day, night to morning, I let you head out, why don't you say so? Didn't even notice, no punches left to roll with. You got to keep me focused, you wanna say so. Yeah. Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Patty, why I gotta ride on the set like back it, love it, need it, bad. Take it, own it, steal it fast. Boy, stop playing, grab my ass. Shut it, save it, keep it pushing while you beating round the bush. And knowing you want all this woman. Yeah, all of them bitches hating, I have you with me. All of them saying you mad committed. Put it to anybody you had and pretty. I love the body, I need that ass and titties. Just say so.
Yeah, that was what I said it was. We were just enjoying that together. There's nothing for me to say other than I absolutely loved the performance when it came out during COVID. That shit was boo bop. You know what I'm saying? So if you enjoyed the video, go watch my other Doja video. Go watch my other pop hit reactions. I appreciate you guys being here on the channel. If you're new, welcome to the Tokyeojapan community. This is Tokyeojapan Reacts. Like, comment, hit that subscribe button, sorry. Hit that bell notification button so you know when I upload a new video. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.